Hello students! Welcome to the video lesson intended for you, grade 7 students. I am your teacher, Teacher April.
Hi everyone! Our topic for this week is illustrating polygons. And at the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to A. Define polygons, B. Illustrate and identify the different kinds of polygon according to the number of sides, and C. Differentiate convex and concave polygon. Now, let us start the lesson by answering the two questions. Number 1. Which of the following illustrate a polygon? Is it A, B, C, or D? The answer is letter A is a polygon and letter D is a polygon. Next, question number 2. Which of the figure or shape do you think are not polygon? Okay, so we have this one is not a polygon. Heart shape is not a polygon. This curve is not a polygon. And this shape is also not a polygon. Okay, now how do we define polygon, or what are polygons? The word polygon comes from two words, poly, which means many, and gon, which means angles. When we say polygon, it is a closed plane figure formed by three or more line segments. Each line segment is called a sides of the polygon, and each endpoint where the sides meet is called the vertex of the polygon. So here are the examples of polygon. It must be closed figure. It must be plane figure, meaning it must be flat surface, ibig sabihin two-dimensional, and it must be formed by three or more line segments. So all of these shapes has the characteristic of polygons. On the other hand, we have figures or shapes that are not polygon. Let's say, for example, the heart. Is it a closed figure? Yes. Is it a plane figure? Yes. Is it formed by three or more line segments or side? No. How about this figure? Is it a closed figure? No. Is it a plane figure? Yes. Is it formed by three or more line segments or side? Yes. How about the cube? Is it a closed figure? Yes. Is it a plane figure? No, because it is a three-dimensional figure or shape. Is it formed by three or more line segments? Yes. Okay. Again, a polygon must be closed plane figure formed by three or more line segments. Now, let us consider the following sets of polygon. We have set A and set B. Set A is considered as convex, and set B are said to be concave or non-convex. Now, let us differentiate concave and convex polygon. A polygon is convex if there is no diagonal in the exterior of the polygon. So, kapag gumawa kayo ng diagonals or mag-connect ng 2 points, all diagonals are totally in the interior of the polygon. So, lahat sila ay nasa loob. Okay, so these are examples of convex polygon. Now, a polygon is concave or non-convex if at least one diagonal is in the exterior of the polygon. So, kapag gumawa ulit kayo ng diagonals, masasabi mo na not all diagonals are totally in the interior of the polygon. So, meron siyang nasa labas. This diagonal is in the exterior of the pentagon or polygon. So, here are some of the examples of concave polygons. So, kapag gumawa kayo ng diagonal dyan, nasa exterior. Kapag gumawa ng diagonal, nasa exterior. The same thing also with this one and this one. So, kapag concave polygons, meron siyang diagonal na matatagpuan sa labas ng polygon. A polygon is said to be equilateral if all sides has equal length. So, kung kapare-parehas ang measure ng sides nila, therefore, it is equilateral. A polygon is equiangular if all angles has equal measures. So, kung pare-parehas naman ang measure ng angle, then it is equiangular. Then, a polygon is regular if equilateral and equiangular. So, kung parehas ang length ng sides at parehas din ang measures ng angles, then ang tawag dito ay regular polygons. Okay? A polygon can be classified according to the number of sides. If we have 3 sides, we call it triangle. Tri means 3. If we have 4 sides, we called it quadrilaterals. Quadric means 4. If we have 5 sides, we call it pentagon. Penta means 5. If we have 6 sides, we call it hexagon. Hexa means 6. If we have 7 sides, we call it heptagon. Hepta means 7. If we have 8 sides, we call it octagon. Octa means 8. If we have 9 sides, we call it nonagon. Nona means 9. If we have 10 sides, we call it decagon. Deca means 10. And if we have 11 sides, we call it undecagon. Un plus deca equals 11. If we have 12 sides, we call it dodecagon. Do plus deca equals 12. Now, if we have n sides, we called it n-sided polygon or n-gon. Okay? So, for example, if we have a polygon with 16 sides, we called it 16-sided polygon or an 16-gon. Okay? So, this is how some of the regular polygons are being illustrated. So, the polygon at the right can be named as true vertices. So, pwede mong pangalanan ng A, B, C, D, and E. Pwede na naman B, C, D, E, and A. Basta sunod-sunod or consecutive. You can name this through the sides. We have line segment AB, line segment BC, line segment CD, line segment DE, and line segment EA. Or pwede rin mo namang siyang i-name as true angles. We have angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, and angle E. Okay? Now, it's time for you to answer learning task 1. All you have to do is to classify each polygon. So, count the number of sides and then classify. Then tell whether if it is concave or convex polygon. So, based on sa diniscuss natin kanina, we differentiate concave polygon and convex polygon. So, let's say, for example, in number 1, let's count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we have 6 sides, then we called it hexagon. And if we draw or make a diagonals, meron tayong diagonals na nasa labas. So, therefore, it is concave polygon. Okay? Now, it's time for you to answer number 2, 3, 4, and 5. For your performance task, you're going to answer learning task number 2. You will draw 5 road signs that illustrate polygons and identify if it is convex or concave. So, for example, I have here a yield sign. So, ang ibig sabihin nito is slow down and yield the right of way to pedestrian or vehicles. So, kung gagawa kayo ng diagonals dyan or line, lahat ng yan ay nasa loob. So, wala kang makikita na diagonals na nasa labas. So, therefore, it is convex polygon. Okay? So, you will draw 5 road signs.
Thank you for watching. Always remember, study with love, study with all your heart. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Stay safe. God bless.